your irresistible offer and optimizing your profile. So now that you have crafted your offer statement, it's time to show it to the world. So let's have a review regarding your irresistible offer. So the I help message, this is the foundation of most everything that we are going to do in terms of boosting our message. So this is a one sentence that speaks directly to your ideal client. This is so short and to the point, and you will tell them how to achieve their desired goal and market. As you all know, as you check to our format, we have this I helped a certain target market and the desired results that we want to give to them using our skill. Now, this message, it focuses on helping the client solve their biggest problems like time, money, and emotions. Here's a tip here. Focus on the problems that cause the negative emotions. So here's the tip to create I helped message. So insert here your ideal client or your target market to what do you offer to them to help them achieve their desired goal. So here are the examples of I help message. So number one, we have I help digital marketing owners to focus on their business while I handle the financials. The next is I help hair salon owners to run financials with confidence. And then another one is you insert certain market to increase profits and cash flow. And then make more and spend less. Then I help insert that market to improve their business lives so they can focus on their passion. And then I help grow a business they adore without worrying their financials. And I help digital marketing owners to get the most out of QuickBooks Online. I help hair salon owners stop the overwhelm, take control of their business finances. Okay. And I help to feel confident about their business finances and lower the stress levels about money. Okay. And so on with this I help message. You can use this one as your reference to construct your offer statement. You just have to insert the target market you're going to focus. We will use this offer statement to optimize our online profile. Okay, so our online profile, it becomes our digital calling card. So think of it as your first impression. When someone lands on your page, would they instantly know how you can help them? So by seeing your offer statement, I help a certain target market solve a specific problem through your service. Then next is we're going to add this one to our social bio, whether that's Facebook, LinkedIn, or both. Okay? So use this as your reference. This I help message. Okay, so I help to stay on top of their business finances, stop feeling scattered, disorganized, and overwhelmed, to build money systems, save hours on their bookkeeping. As you can see here, the result is specific and definite. So you can use this one as your reference in creating your offer statement. So you need to put together your I help message. Find that describes you, your interest, what you love, or one that resonates you. Okay, so once you have created your offer statement, it's time to optimize your profile. Okay, so in optimizing your profile, we have to prepare our target market, the skill that we're going to offer that solve their problems, and the offer statement. Okay, so what is a brand? So this is the image customers have of your business, the way that a product or a company is perceived by those who experience it. So a brand is an image that people have of you and how they perceive that image. So your brand must stand out and attract. So like this one, who likes McDonald's or Burger King. Okay, as you can see here, they have the definite branding. Okay, like this one with a letter M and this one with a burger icon. Okay, so perhaps one of these brands attracts you while the other one stands out. So as you see, both of them are selling burgers. So Burger King does not want to be like McDonald's. They want to be different from each other. So they need to attract certain people and repel others. So our goal here, communicate your message or your brand effectively so you will attract ideal clients and that you stand out in order to differentiate yourself to others and to show that you are unique, to convince your ideal client that you are the only one who can help them. So it's the start of crafting our image and putting our offer in front of our target market. That will be the next thing that we're going to do using our Facebook or LinkedIn account or even your online job profiles. Okay, so just make sure you have your Facebook account, and if you want to separate your personal account, you can create a Facebook page and then your LinkedIn account. And for designing, we will use Canva. Okay, so we will subscribe to a free account in canva.com. Okay, so you don't need to share 100% of your life and details of your personal life. So you just need to feel self-expressed, which is authentic. So you need your image, just a headshot, and then your story. Okay, so I've already prepared a template for you to be placed in your About section inside your LinkedIn using the PASOC formula. Okay, so that would be your story or the About section. So why you started your business, the challenges encountered, and you need to share why you are passionate about being bookkeeper, what gets you excited about working with your clients. You can also include your interests. Okay, so that they can feel that you are human. Okay, you're not only doing online bookkeeping, but you have also other aspects in your life. Okay, your music, the food, the fashion, pets, travel, and movies. And then your credentials, if you have a certificates, college degree, organizations you belong, you also have to place it. Okay? Then this is just a sample of a headshot. Okay? So you're going to place that one in your Facebook or in your LinkedIn profile or even in the online job sites, right? And then for the headshot, people want to do business with real people. Yes? So you must put your best foot forward. So you can use this one in your marketing materials. Okay. So this will build an instant trust even before you send a single message because they see your face, right? Okay. So your profile picture, just have a headshot and that will be placed in your LinkedIn or Facebook. So you can start with LinkedIn or your Facebook account. And then you can use also tripod, camera and portrait setting with a nice lighting or even go to studio. Okay? So use your headshot in your business card, your emails, your marketing materials because people want to do business with real people. Okay, so like this one, I will show you how to do this, okay, using the Canva. So this is how we optimize our profile inside LinkedIn. Okay, so we're going to create a LinkedIn photo with the offer statement to be placed here. Okay, because from time to time when we connect to our prospective or to our target market, they will check our profile. So make sure you optimize your profile first. Okay, so who would you rather connect with? This one or this one? Of course, the one with the picture, right? Okay, so if you see this kind of profile, okay, you might question if this profile is legit or not. Okay, so that's why we have to prepare and do something to optimize our profile. Okay, so you can also use here your brand colors. What's your favorite color? Mine is navy blue and golden yellow. So that could be your brand colors. So you can choose colors and images based from special memories or vacations or childhood trips, music, pets, sunrise, sunset, favorite activities, or sports. Okay? Use colors and images that will attract your ideal client. Okay? So at least you have 2 colors. Okay? And about me section, using PASOC formula, I will show you how to do that. I've already prepared a template for you. Okay? You just have to tweak it. And the PASOC formula stands for problem, agitated problem, solution, objections, and call to action. Okay? And here's the format that you can tweak using your own version. So you just have to insert the market that you are going to focus. So this one, I focus to e-commerce. Okay, so that's my market. So are your books messy, unreconciled, and behind schedule? So that's a problem. Are your reports inaccurate and unavailable? You need more than a spreadsheet. You need help. Okay. So agitate. So maybe your last bookkeeper ghosted you. Your reports are always delayed. So this means that what could be the consequences if you fail to perform or if you fail to do bookkeeping. Okay. And then you present also the solution. So you just have to remove this problem word agitate. Okay. All you have to do is edit this one. You can use this template. You can tweak this and create your own version. Okay. And then insert your target market. Right. Okay. And then objection. So there could be objections. One could be the objections is that why will why will they not hire you? Okay, so I know what you're thinking. I can do this myself to save money. I'll get to this later when I'm not so busy. Okay, so you're just trying to impart a message. Okay, what could be the consequences if they will not hire a bookkeeper? Okay, and then next part is the call to action. So that's why we place here our Calendly link. So I'm also giving you a guide on how to create a Calendly link. Okay, so you just have to check it inside the student portal. Okay, so regarding the Facebook Facebook page. Okay, so here's my Facebook page. Okay, as you can see here. So I will also show you how to do this Facebook cover photo. And then this is how you optimize your Facebook page. Okay, so you place here your offer statement in intro. So all you have to do is click this edit bio. Then you can place your offer statement here. And then other information, you can also edit details. Okay, so since you are starting out, no need to have a website. So this will serve as your website, your Facebook page, or if not, you're going to use your Facebook personal account. You can also do that one. Okay? So just this one, the name of your agency or even your personal name here, and then the introduction. Okay, your introduction that will serve as your offer statement. Okay, and for the LinkedIn, okay, so I'm gonna show you my LinkedIn here. So my LinkedIn, so this is the LinkedIn cover photo. And then we have the offer statement. So you just have to click this one, the pencil icon. Okay, then you can place here your offer statement under the headline. Okay, and place all other important information in your bio. And then for the about section, so this is what I'm referring to using PASOC formula. Okay. So all you have to do is tweak that one, use your own version, and then you can place it here. So just click this pencil icon. So just to make sure, at least here we have 2,600 characters. So more or less, not beyond 2,600 characters. Okay? And then other information here below, please supply. Okay? So we have here your working experience, you place it here, even trainings attended. Okay, so schools graduated, your certificates, your licenses, you can also place it here. Okay, your skills. So take time to optimize your profile. Okay, so dedicate 1 hour or 2 hours to optimize your Facebook, your LinkedIn. So this will serve as your website. Okay? So please check also other tutorial videos, especially in creating Facebook cover photo, your LinkedIn cover photo, and how are we going to place the about section. Okay, so I'll show you that on the next tutorial. Okay, that's it. Good luck to your optimized profile.